right now I have the gold holographic fabric. Okay, so we're gonna practice on this particular fabric, and what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your right angle ruler, and you're gonna need a regular ruler. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this the other way around so it's gonna be easier for me to use the chalk to mark on the fabric. Okay, I'm gonna use this to create a right angle first. Okay, so now that you have your right angle going on here, as you can see. Alright, so we're gonna create the quadrant first, so that's really simple. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to use our measuring tape. Alright, and we're gonna measure 12.5 cm over here. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm using my micro serration scissors. You know, I just want a very clean look. Hit to cut this here. So now we have our quadrant. So let's just flip it around so you can see. So this is your little quadrant over here. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let's just talk about how to cut the other 1/8 of the quadrant. So you're going to fold this into two. I'm matching it together. Okay. And then you're going to put it down. So where the straight line edge is where the side of this is. I'm going this way because the fabric's not moving. So from here to here, you're just going to draw that out. Okay, shift this away. Ta-da! You've got your 1/8 of a circle here. Cut this baby out. So now we have our 1/8 here. And then we also have our quadrant here. I'm just going to cut out one more piece of this, and then we can move on to piecing all of our patterns and pieces together.